What is up, you guys? It's your girl Curious here, and I'm back to y'all with another makeup video. Yes, I am. But now, before we get into this video, I need y'all to stop what y'all are doing. Hit that subscribe button if you are new, so y'all can just stay updated with me. And if you're not new, welcome back to my channel, and I'm really glad y'all click that button to tune in. So let's just get into this video. In this video, I use a few new products, some which are the same and some that are very different. It really helped me create this makeup look. My eyeshadow look was literally off the top of my head that I freestyled, and it looks so beautiful. Like, just look. Beautiful, right? I know. And I didn't want to go dramatic with my eyelashes, so I just got some Walmart little lashes. But in this video, I use Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. Strictly only this eyeshadow palette. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, as usual, my eyebrows are always done off camera just so it won't make my video long. I used ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Ebony, which is more towards the black side. Y'all know I either go from dark brown or to ebony. But in this glam look today, I'm going to use ebony. My face is set and prime as well, and I color corrected before I apply something new that I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to use the Milani Stay Focused with Soft Focus Glow. I don't know if y'all can see that. There you go. Yeah, Soft Focus Glow. Before I apply my foundation, I am going to be using a different foundation, which I have used in previous videos, but it's going to be a new foundation today in this video. But I'm just going to apply this before I apply my foundation. This is my first time using it, so I hope it does what it's supposed to do. And I'm just going to squeeze. Wow, look at that, y'all. It's gonna fall on the floor. So what I'm going to do, what is on my hand? I'm going to rub it in on my hands. So I'm just gonna rub it on my skin, get my setup right. And like I said, my face is color corrected already off camera. I'm just gonna rub it. It stank though. I can't say that. I'm back. I have that glow on me. It did change the color of my skin, which I do like that, but it did give it a tint. So before we go in with our foundation, you gotta moisturize them lips, baby. I'm using the Vaseline. Makeup, your lips will dry out, so apply a good coat on it. So I'm going in with my Bare Mineral foundation, which is very, out of all the foundations I have, this is the lightest one. It's very light. I'm going in with the color 23. I just cannot talk today. I'm going in with Bare Minerals in the color 23. Like I said, this is a very lightweight foundation. And I'm just going to squirt it on my face. And literally all I ever need is these 2 squirts, and then it just go all over my face. So I have a new beauty blender. It is damp and it's so super soft. It is super soft. So I'm just gonna blend this foundation out. Bring my light more in front of me. Like, look, like, do y'all see that? Like, it's so light. And that glow actually, like, did a lot of justice to this foundation, too. Like, it just gave it a hint of shine. Which I don't know if y'all can see it through the camera or whatnot, but where is it? I don't even know what I did with it. That Soft Focus Glow is definitely a must buy. I bought it like for $10, I think. They have different colors too. So as y'all all know, I go in with my Fit Me powder foundation just to kind of minimize that foundation, the liquid foundation. I don't know why, I just do, but I do not take a lot. So now I'm going in with the new concealer that I mentioned earlier in my intro by CoverGirl. I haven't used CoverGirl in a long time, okay? Like when I first started doing my makeup, which was probably like, yes, in high school, I was using CoverGirl with True Blend or True Match or whatever it's called. And I was using my mom's foundation. But I'm going in with CoverGirl. This is their new concealer, True Blend Undercover Concealer, and I'm going in the color 10100 Golden Amber. I use this concealer to clean up my eyebrow, and I can say for sure, like, this concealer dries out really fast. So once I apply it, I'm gonna have to like hurry up and go in and blend it out. But the stick is like Juvia's Place, real thick, so you'll have enough product in one dip. So I'm just going to apply this all under my T-line area or T-bone area. I like to call it T-line. Down my nose. So I have a new beauty blender. It is damp, and we're going in to blend all this product out. And you want to blend until you get rid of the harsh lines and your foundation is blended in with your concealer. Y'all remember that, okay? And it's very lightweight coverage. Like, I feel like I need to go in a little bit more with the product. Just add a little more lightness to my concealer. But you know what? I'm going to leave it like this because it's hot outside and I don't need a full face of makeup like this. So we're going to keep it light. So now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer in the color 7. Y'all heard me talk about this concealer in one of my previous videos, so I'm deciding to give this concealer another try. I'm just not going to use as much. Like, y'all, I don't think I bought it. I think I bought it too dark. But I'm going to contour my face with this. I'm just going to use a little. I really am scared, y'all. But I use very, very little. I just think I bought this a little bit too dark for my skin tone. Do y'all see how like dark that is? So I'm really having to blend this out. Y'all know with my concealer, I like to blend more up than towards the front. Yes. Alright, so I'm going in with some setting powder that I haven't used in forever, y'all. My Revolution. Look how dirty it is, y'all. But I'm using the color Banana. I don't even know what I want to put. I'm putting it on my top thing. Oh my God, y'all. Now I know I went a little crazy in my last video on how much I love my foundation, but that soft focus glow and this concealer and that foundation, like, it's giving my face life right now. Like, I wish I could see it in person. Like, it's giving my face so much mood right now. So I'm just gonna dust it off because I don't want it to sit on there for a long time. And the reason why I don't want it to sit on my concealer for a long time is for the simple fact that this concealer did not take a long time to dry. So I know, like, it would literally take hook of this setting powder and really have my face yellow. Now this is like a soft glam bead right here. So I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion to set my contour. So everywhere I contour there, I'm just gonna set it. That nose is snatched, okay? And I actually thought about giving away my Juvia's Place Color 7 concealer. I'm keeping it, boo-boo. Keeping it. So now I'm going to go in with a little blush. Y'all know I use the color Rich Peach by Black Radiance. Just give myself a little tint. Don't need a lot. Y'all, I'm like loving this look. So off my face for a minute, we're finna get into the eyes. I have a look that I want to do, but I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, and I'm really praying for it to turn out like bomb as fuck, like literally bomb as fuck. So I have a new eyeshadow palette, which I'm pretty sure all of y'all know about. The Juvia's Place Nubian 3, and these are the colors. I have never used this, okay? Never have I used this, but the colors, they're not listed on the back and they're not listed on here. So what I got in mind to use is this like brown, this like grayish black, this like undertone orangey brown, this nudie reddish brown, pink, you know what I'm saying, and probably this shimmer coral color. Got a little bit on my nail. Yeah. So anyways, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl concealer again, and I'm going to conceal my eyes. There. And I'm just going to take a blending brush and blend it out. And I'm not taking much concealer, just for the simple fact of the concealer under my eyes. So my eyelid is already pretty much kind of concealed, so you don't need a lot of concealer. So you're just going to get this blended out as best as possible. Anyway, I'm just going to take some of that setting powder I use and just kind of set it. That way it won't be hard to like blend out my colors. It won't be rough. Make it a little easier with blending. And the more I do these videos, the better I'm going to get at projecting what I'm trying to say and the point that I'm trying to get across, and be more informative of what I'm doing, because I know what I'm doing. It's just that, you know, it's like teaching a class. So I may stumble over a word here and there, but I'm going to get it together. I'm going to have my beauty page talking down pat.